Dear students, today I will start the next lesson, Lost Spring in Flamingo. Before starting, I would like to throw light on the theme of the lesson. In this lesson, the author has given a description about the children who are very poor and their life has been exploited. Though in childhood, child is innocent, energetic and has curiosity to gain knowledge. But these children, Sahib and Mukesh, are very unlucky and their childhood had been lost. Sahib on one hand is a refugee who came from Bangladesh in 1971 in order to earn their livelihood. They left their country because of frequent natural disasters. One day the author suggests Sahib to go to school. He promised her that he will go if he built a school nearby. But the promise which author had done cannot be fulfilled. Like Sahib, many other children move around. The thing noticed about them was that they walked barefoot. When they were asked about it, they said that it is this tradition to remain barefoot. Some people who lived in the village, like priests, had changed their lifestyles, but the life of ragpickers remained constant. For 30 years, these ragpickers were living in Simapuri, but they do not have any identity because for them, food for their survival was important than their identity. For elders, garbage was their source of earning, but for children, it was a wonder. Watching his family conditions, Sahib started working in a tea stall where he earned rupees 800. Though he was not happy as he has to work according to his owner, but he tried to change his and his family's lifestyle. The other victim was Mukesh, who lives in Firozabad. His family was a bangle maker. Children of any age group work in the factories of bangle making, but they do not know that it is illegal and harmful. Their living standard was just the same as that of Sahib. When the author went to Mukesh home, the condition which she saw was not very good, and none of his family members were happy with that, what they are achieving. When the children, their family, saw the working, they too helped them, and when they are grown up, they are adjusted in that environment. They also tried to take initiative to do something different, but the people of high class, politicians and meditators do not want them to change their identity. Therefore, Mukesh, on the other hand, was bold enough and said that he wants to be a motor mechanic, but he had some of his same as his father and forefather, struggling whole life, but they have not achieved anything. But Mukesh do not want the same conditions anymore, so he decided to learn the work and start the business of his own.